Top 24 Zinc Superfoods for immunity, energy, and strength. Oysters, the most concentrated natural source of zinc, supports immune function, wound healing, hormone balance, and overall vitality. Beef, especially lean beef, rich in highly absorbable zinc that supports muscle repair and immune strength. Pumpkin seeds, one of the best plant-based zinc sources, also rich in magnesium and antioxidants. Crab, high in zinc with lean protein for recovery and energy. Lobster, excellent zinc content plus high-quality protein. Pork, provides moderate, bioavailable zinc. Chicken, dark meat contains more zinc than breast meat. Turkey, supports immune function and muscle recovery. Chickpeas, plant-based zinc plus fiber for gut health. Lentils, good vegan zinc option with iron support. Cashews, a zinc-rich snack that also provides healthy fats. Hemp seeds, offer zinc along with omega-3 fatty acids. Sesame seeds, small seeds with steady zinc content. Yogurt, contains zinc plus probiotics for gut balance. Cheese, especially hard cheeses, contains moderate zinc. Eggs, provide small but useful amounts of zinc. Oats, whole grain option with modest zinc. Quinoa, plant-based zinc plus complete protein. Almonds, contain zinc along with vitamin E. Dark chocolate, high cocoa varieties contain measurable zinc. Black beans, plant-based zinc with fiber and antioxidants. Tofu, good vegan zinc source made from soybeans. Mushrooms, contain modest zinc and immune-supporting compounds. Spinach, small zinc amounts plus iron and antioxidants. If this helped, hit subscribe to Vitality Reconstruct for easy wellness tips you can start today.